The 10 best useful multi-cloud networking tools. A suitable multi-cloud networking tools stack is needed to automate processes and save expenses when you begin experimenting with strategies like multi-region deployments, since a multi-cloud strategy is essential to creating a scalable and robust infrastructure. Here are a few multi-cloud networking tools to aid you in negotiating cross-cloud architectures, since that's when infrastructure as code technologies become essential. What is multi-cloud networking? Using cloud services from many, heterogeneous suppliers is known as multi-cloud networking. This comprises specialist platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, and software as a service providers, in addition to public cloud services providers like AWS, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure. A hybrid cloud, which combines the usage of private and public cloud systems, is not the same as a multi-cloud. Instead, multi-cloud is a hybrid strategy that combines the finest offerings from several providers to produce a unique solution tailored to the unique requirements of a company. With this strategy, businesses may benefit from each vendor's most recent advancements while avoiding vendor lock-in and assuring maximum flexibility. Although multi-cloud networking can be challenging, it offers a strong method for creating a personalized, scalable, and highly available cloud architecture. The 10 best useful multi-cloud networking tools. 1. Ansible Automation Tool. Ansible can automate nearly anything if the proper content, such as roles, modules, or other plugins, is used. Managing the cloud is no different. This indicates that we can simply automate our provisioning methods. On all cloud products, you will be able to orchestrate, configure management, deploy apps, provide continuous delivery, and maintain security and compliance, load balancers, containers, firewall, and so on. 2. Terraform. You may develop, modify, and upgrade infrastructure in a safe and predictable manner using the open-source multi-cloud networking tools known as Terraform. To construct a multi-cloud environment, you may need to specify your resources in a way that is cloud agnostic using a simple configuration, or adapt your code to the cloud provider. Terraform assures parity between diverse environments and offers significant flexibility, scalability, and version control of infrastructure code, dev, QA, prod. 3. Pulumi. Using your preferred languages, you can build, deploy, and manage infrastructure on any cloud with Pulumi, an open-source infrastructure as code SDK. 4. Pulumi. Using your preferred languages, you can build, deploy, and manage infrastructure on any cloud with Pulumi, an open-source infrastructure as code SDK. Kubernetes. 5. Rancher Tool. Rancher offers operations control back with a multi-cloud management solution, while also providing developers with flexibility and user-friendliness. Rancher integrates seamlessly with your multi-cluster, hybrid, or multi-cloud container orchestration strategy, since it is 100% open-source software with no lock-ins. 6. Cloudify. An open-source framework for orchestrating several clouds called Cloudify combines current multi-cloud networking tools, infrastructure, and networking into verified designs. All private, public, virtual machine, VM, and Kubernetes workloads become certified environments with Cloudify in use, enabling the automation of DevOps operations, governance, and compliance procedures, as well as cloud migration. 7. VirtEngine Tool. The open-source VirtEngine cloud management platform was created with the user in mind, and it uses the newest technology to enhance functionality. IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, and SaaS are just a few of the cloud computing models that VirtEngine offers. 8. Istio. Istio tackles the difficulties that operators and developers encounter while using a distributed or microservices architecture. Whether you are creating new applications from scratch or moving old ones to cloud native, On Istio, you may archive many clouds. 9. OpenStack large pools of computing, storage, and networking resources may be managed by businesses thanks to the open-source OpenStack cloud management platform. Virtual networks, bare metal support, container support, integrated VM and container support, VLAN-aware VM support, and many more features are among its many features. OpenStack is a fantastic option for heterogeneous infrastructure since it integrates with numerous open-source technologies. 10. The last multi-cloud networking tools is Kubernetes Cosmos. How could we not mention Cosmos last but not least? A real cross-cloud Kubernetes engine. Scaleway Kubernetes Cosmos pioneers global network and device interactions.